and action.
Yes, we're only slightly behind this month.
Yeah.
For Committed Club.
It's only February.
It's only the 11th. Right?
Oopsies.
Well, we know it takes months and months to calculate votes. So it takes me weeks to calculate check-ins. No, not buying it. Not buying it. How's your NoCo?
It is great.
These are delicious. These are just amazingly delicious. Yeah. So this month's Committed Club winner is going to get a card for drinks, which will include NoCos or Fit Aids if you like those better.
And O2s.
Don't use them on the O2s because those are only $1. But anyway, yeah. So in celebrating our new partnership with NoCo, oh man, those are good.
So good.
So good.
I'm on my second one already.
Yeah. You may have a problem.
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
I do.
I know there's a black background, but I wonder if anybody noticed your new haircut.
I don't have a new haircut.
Lies. But you got a new sweater.
I do. Oh,
Check that hoodie out. Look at that. That is a nice hoodie. How does that feel?
It feels good.
You pulled the double strings out.
Yeah.
They come with double strings.
They come with double strings. I pulled them out because when I'm warming up, I'm like warming up with the bar. It kind of comes. I bring the bar in real close.
That's a good idea.
And then it just gets in my face.
That's a good idea.
It's too much.
But did you keep the girl sleeve holes in the sleeve?
These? Oh,
yeah.
Well,
yeah. So it does come with those
days,
too.
When the bar is cold. Here. There you go. Or you can bring them up for gymnastics movements too. Right here. You don't even need grips. You don't even buy grips. Don't even need to buy grips. You have them right here.
You are taking this to a whole new level.
There
so let's get down to business. Who's in the Committed Club for January?
I don't know.
Right? And how do you get in the Committed Club?
How many days?
16 check-ins, which is 4 per week. Not a whole lot. There were some people that just like destroyed it. There's a guy on this list that I know was doing 6. And he has abs and and he has abs and
triceps.
He's right here. Yes, he's got
those triceps
little new horseshoes going. That's Mr. Robert. Sorry, spelled your name wrong, Robert.
No, he's not a Robert.
It's not a Robert.
Robert
with a T. Jacob,
Roberto.
Julie, Jana, some really incredible fit people. Dixon, Marlee, and Natalie.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, if you think about it, they show up and they're committed, and they're some of the fittest people in the gym. And one of them is going to get a NoCo Fit Aid card.
Yeah, let's just call it NoCo Fit Aid card. Everybody, pretty much. Well, when we got the NoCos, how many days did it take for it to just sell out here? Less than a week, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So.
Let's get rid of that. Okay, so I have Robert and everybody else loaded into our random.org. And yes, this web page takes up the whole screen and it's really boring, but it does a fantastic job of legitimatizing our drawing.
Wow, that's a big
legitimatizing. There is no drawing fraud at all with this. This is legit right here. They're all in here. So, drum roll, please. 1, 2, 3, and the winner is Robert Abs.
Yeah.
McHottie.
Yeah. So technically, Robert Barger, you can't take this because your name is technically like on your birth certificate, probably not even Robert, so you can't take it.
Yeah. He's got a lot of nicknames, right?
Mr.
So,
Triceps.
Congratulations.
Abs.
Tuna can. Tuna can.
Okay, let's cut that off.